Hey guys, this is Kathy from Fabric Bash with So Fresh Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get started with a couple of new lines. One of them is going to be super fun, and the other one is just beautiful, and it's from Northcott Fabrics, Highland View. Here's the quilt kit that we have for this one, and it's just stunning and beautiful. Let me see if I can get this up here. I can't get far enough away. But this big, beautiful scene right here with the big, beautiful deer. It's a good nappy size quilt. And the quilt kit here is for the smaller of the patterns. There's two patterns actually in this pattern, but the one that we kitted up is this guy right here, the smaller one, which is 48 by 58. So if you like a real nice masculine quilt, this is a great line. But let's go over the fabrics that are actually in this kit and have a good time. This fabric, again, is stunning by it's just stunning. Highland View from Northcott, $14.96 a yard. This one we have a few yards left of this one. It's one of my favorite colors, nice and deep and rich. I love how it looks like the night sky. That's what it reminds me of. So again, $14.96. We're going to have a link to the collections in the description here. Here's a beautiful Northcott fabric. I love this. All of this line with this. It could be ocean. It could be all kinds of fun stuff, right? It's beautiful. Now, this one I think is kind of an interesting line. The print on it is antlers. Let me see which way I have it. Yep, there you go. There's the antlers. And I love the blue and the gray tint in the background there. But this one is what you'd be using for that bigger quilt kit that we did not kit. The running yardage in the middle of that big quilt. It looks like foliage and water, like if you're looking off in the distance down to the beautiful mountains. And again, we have with that blue, we have this beautiful fabric that is gorgeous. I love the tans that are in this one. Now let me see if I can get this one right side up for you. This is a directional fabric, ever so slightly, but there's trees in that one. But if you move it away, it looks like it reads like a solid, right? It's just beautiful. And again, here are our trees, this time in the blue with the greens in there. And another beautiful fabric, a little bit more seen with trees and the rivers and ponds. And here is those trees again, but this time in the beautiful rich browns. Isn't that kind of cool? I think it's fun and wonderful. Northcott does such a great job with their fabrics. And they're so soft. $14.96 a yard. I have that link to the collection above. And then here's this one. I think that's in the middle of that quilt pattern, if I read this right again. No, it's not this one. But this one is. Let me make sure I got that right. Yep, I got the deer right side up. Knowing my luck, I'd have it upside down. All right. This next line is a fabulous line. We're going to have to find a dark place to show you the fun of this fabric. So this here is called Let's Glow Crazy. And yes, I'm going to show you this in just a minute in the dark. Look at that. Isn't that fun? So there's your ladybugs. My goodness, this would be perfect for an I Spy quilt. This is a fabric line that is by Blank, and it is $15.92 a yard because of the glow in the dark funness to get that on there. Now, this one would be fabulous, don't you think? the flashlights. This would make such a fun quilt. I'm going to lay this out here a little bit so all of that fabric can soak up the light. And then we'll show you a little bit of the clip in the dark. There's your stars and your night sky with falling stars. And might as well just move all of this closer. What do you think? Hey, we had thunder snow the other day, so look at that. Isn't that fabulous? I think this one, which one do you think is going to be the best in the dark? Maybe the planets. I think the planets might win out. Those are fabulous. And constellations, like that. And then last but not least, this is a super fun one, is light bulbs. All right. So thanks for checking us out. And hold on here. We're going to go into the dark room because I got to show you at least a couple of these in the dark. So hold on. These in the dark. Perfect for pillowcases. Great quilts. And lots of fun.